Volunteering and community engagement are central to many aspects of life in the UK. Whether you have been in the country for many years or you have just arrived, you should seriously consider volunteering as a way to become involved in local life and develop your skills. For instance, you could volunteer at a local charity shop, such as the British Heart Foundation or Oxfam, where you might sort donated clothes, organize books, and greet customers. This kind of hands-on role can help you improve your English while supporting a worthwhile cause. If you enjoy working with people directly, you may volunteer at a community center that runs events for children or older adults. For example, you should look into local youth clubs if you like organizing sports activities or tutoring sessions. Alternatively, older adult day centers can benefit from volunteers who prepare meals, lead exercise classes, or simply spend time chatting with visitors who feel lonely. Even if you only have an hour or two per week, you could make a big difference in someone's life. Some people ought to explore environmental volunteering opportunities. If you care about nature, you might join a local park conservation group or participate in litter picking events organized by groups like Keep Britain Tidy. These cleanup sessions can bring together volunteers from many backgrounds who share a passion for preserving green spaces. If you prefer a more formal commitment, you may contact national organizations like the Woodland Trust, where volunteers help plant trees or maintain woodland paths. Another great example is volunteering at a food bank, which distributes supplies to people experiencing financial difficulties. You should consider checking with the Trussell Trust Network or other local services. Volunteers can help sort donations, pack food parcels, and welcome people who come for assistance. This role not only supports vulnerable community members but also develops your communication and organizational skills. If you are interested in libraries, you could volunteer to help with reading sessions for children. Many libraries host story time events, and they might need extra volunteers to plan activities, read books aloud, or guide crafts. If you have a passion for reading and want to share it with young learners, you should ask about volunteer opportunities at your nearest library branch. When you decide where to volunteer, remember that you must balance your time wisely. Volunteering is a commitment, and organizations need dependable helpers. You should also check if there are any travel costs or time constraints so you can manage your volunteering duties consistently. In conclusion, there are many ways to engage with the community in the UK through volunteering. You should take a look at local charities, community centres, and environmental groups to see which opportunity suits you best. By giving your time and energy, you might not only help others but also improve your English, widen your social circle, and become more familiar with British culture. If you have never volunteered before, you could begin by visiting local charity shops or searching online for local volunteer positions. This step can open doors to enriching experiences and personal growth. Good luck with your volunteering.